Hello. So, as you can tell, I've been so obsessed with editing videos, so I am back with another one, and this time you're gonna see me cleaning my desk area pretty much, and I'm starting with my keyboard. As you can see here, my keyboard looks pretty disgusting and gross, because actually I think I bought this keyboard like a year ago and I've never cleaned her out ever since I bought her, so this is a year's worth of dust. Yeah, gross, I know. For this part, I think it was the hardest to clean out because I basically have limited space to work with, so I would actually recommend using a portable electric vacuum cleaner. So I think it would be easier doing that. Throughout the cleaning process, I only used a hand sanitizer because I thought it worked effectively, and it did, and it wasn't complicated at all, especially for these keycaps because they dried very quickly, so I can reassemble them immediately. So here's the final product, and she looks brand new. Next up, I am going to clean my desk that was also very dirty and dusty, and at that moment I just had to clean it for the sake of my mind. Well, now that I think about it, I get it that it feels very rewarding to have cleaning progress videos like this, especially when I've been so busy lately that I couldn't clean at all. So I hope this video can be a motivation for a lot of people to start cleaning. And here's me putting back all of the stuff that was on top of my table back in their place.